Hello and welcome to Random Useful Stuff. Today I want to show you how to improve your voice recordings in Davinci Resolve. So once opening Davinci Resolve, go into Fairlight, which is best for editing audio, and import or record your voice recording. Then I'm going to close the meters as we don't need this, make this whole thing a little bit bigger. And this is just a random voice recording I just made. It's for my German YouTube channel Wissensbox. Just listen to it real quickly.
Die künstliche Intelligenz. Sie wird in unser aller Leben.
Very standard stuff. It's all one recording that's been cut together. And now, what do I do to improve it? First of all, I like to go into the A1 setting, as we will apply all the effects and changes to all of these clips. And we can do it by using the A1 settings. First of all, change the order, equalizer first, then effects, then dynamics. Let's take the equalizer, then press band 1 to get rid of the low frequencies, press band 6 and get rid of all the higher frequencies, push the bass up a little bit, push the higher frequencies up just a little bit, not too much. And that's done.
Ist eine Vielzahl von neuen KI.
It already sounds better, so that's the equalizer. Then next up, the effects. I'm going to open the effects tab. Noise reduction is the first thing. It's already open. Let's pull it in here. Then let's just make this a little bit bigger to get a good reference. So you will search for a part that doesn't have a lot of voice into it. Hit learn, record it, and basically get rid all of the noise. And it's already done. So up next, another effect I like to add is the de-esser, just to get rid of a little bit essing stuff. I like to take male ESS as a preset, and this works good. So that's another change. And lastly, let's close the effects tab and also improve the dynamics. Let's listen to it first.
Video KIs, Text to Audio und
so it has a little bit of less essing and a little bit of background noise, which is great. Lastly, let's improve dynamics. So here I just like to hit in the compressor, and the threshold I would put it onto -25 or even more, depending on your preferences. The ratio is good like it is, but of course, because we took away this much volume from the higher tones, we need to make up for it. So we're gonna raise this entire thing at around, let's say 5.5. Looks good. Just look at the graphic here. It shows it pretty well. Close it and you're done. You added some nice equalizing, a little bit of bass to your voice. You took away noise and S's by using effects, and you improved your dynamics, and overall you're gonna get a very nice voice recording out of it. Let's listen to it one last time.
Die künstliche Intelligenz. Sie wird in unser aller Leben eine zunehmend große Rolle spielen.
If you compare that to the initial audio, you will notice that it got much better. And yeah, thank you very much for listening. And like, subscribe, goodbye.